All right, Saturday morning, AM. You know it's got to be early when RPM's still drinking some coffee. It's begun. It has started. We got our parts cabinets packed up, boxes full of stuff, man, everywhere, labeled and everything. We still got a ways to go, but got all this down. These are next. We're box. We're taking those three. We're going to leave the one on the end, I guess, for the mother-in-law. But we're loading it all up in the trailer. That stuff's already in there. The stuff we've taken down. We're going to stop, like I said, at the ABC warehouse and pick up our washer dryer. We brought brand new stuff there in the same complex as the Home Depot. So then we're going to go a couple 100 feet down the complex and stuff all of our ceiling, the 1-inch foam board. We're going to get a couple pieces of 1.5 too. To do some other things with up and around the ceiling there, and we're going to take all that stuff out and drop it off today. It'll all fit in the trailer. A few more things in the basement. The wife's lining up right now to go in the back of the truck. Going to go out, me and her, drop that stuff off, come back. I'm going to finish clearing off the bench here, getting all this stuff loaded up into boxes, and all the stuff underneath the towel there and everything there needs to go back. It's all trailer specific stuff. So probably throw that in a giant box, just loose, because it needs to go back into the cabinets and stuff when we're done moving. But everything's got to come off of here, package most everything up, and we're going to take the bench down, maybe in a couple of pieces, depending on how it's got to go in the trailer. Obviously, this big old thing won't go in the trailer. It's too long in each direction. Unless, of course, we take brays off, we could put that on the floor. I don't think this would be too tall. We'd have to see. I think maybe it is too big to go in there, so we may have to split it in two pieces. But we'll take the air compressor, we'll take the bench, we'll take the air tools, we'll take all this stuff. Maybe even, mini lathe and its table and all that stuff, and start hauling it over. We got to get the ceiling up and sealed, minimum above the mezzanine, clear out into the center of the floor of the garage, so we can start putting stuff up there and not have to move it to put those ceiling tiles in place. So probably getting stuff over there without tripping over it too badly. First thing next week, I may just stay Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday until the ceiling's done. And get it done so we can start piling things up in there. It's tick-tock. We're September 9, so 6 more days, and we're supposed to be out of here. I don't see what the big deal is about the sister-in-laws finally footing their part of the bill to take care of the mother-in-law. If we're still here, we've been doing it free and clear just ourselves for 5-6 years. So. And never got any help from anybody. So if we need to stay another couple of days, if they got a problem, they can take it up with me. But I don't see that being an issue. There might be some lingering things, maybe in the basement, maybe out here after the 15th that we got to come back for here and there. But the majority of everything will be out there. The bed, the dressers and stuff. Dressers are already out there. Bed will be the last thing to go. Bed and TVs. So that's it. I got to get to work. I'm going to sip the coffee while I empty these cabinets out and get these in the trailer as well. Get the back of the truck loaded up. We'll be off to ABC warehouse. Doesn't open until 10 a.m., so that's about an hour from now. And then get back here and start packing this stuff up here and get ready for moving Sunday after church. Rich is going to come over and help me get the bench off the wall, unless I get it done tonight. And get it packaged up and get the air compressor up in there. Pretty cool how we got the cabinets in the trailer. I used the 1x, the boards that I roll my cart up on for my crank up stand at the track. I used those with the dolly, and the wife just kind of steadied it at the back, and I rolled them suckers right up into the trailer. Man, one man gang. Don't need no 2 men in a truck. I can do it myself. So I'm going to get some coffee and get busy. See y'all in a bit. We'll bring you some more later. Hang in there. It's getting better as we go. Look, the things are disappearing. I know it looks like a mess, but it's a controlled mess. Love y'all. Hang in there. We'll talk to you soon.